Specialty sandwich, 15. Toasted sandwich, 14. Not bad. They pile the meat really high. This is the most beautiful food court in Las Vegas, or probably in the world, because of the architecture, the backdrop of the New York buildings. So realistic. I like the way they put the air conditioners, window air conditioners, which is very accurate. This Mexican place looks really good, but you know, I haven't seen any food. No prices. When there's no prices, no, I can't do it. This fish and chips place, Fulton, very reasonable. Fish and chips, $16.95. Wings and chips, $16.95. They have wings? Wow. Chicken and chips, $11.95. Does that say 11? 14. $14.95. Fish and chicken, $16.95. Now this place has been here since New York opened. Ooh, fish sandwich, $10.95. I'm sorry, I got distracted. But anyway, if a place has been in their location for that long, you know they're good. Chicken sandwich, $9.95. Chicken and chips, already said that. New England clam chowder, $9.95. Jumbo shrimp, $14.95. Look at these. Look at this architecture, or this decor, I should say. They even got trophies in the window right there. Every time I come in here, I see something I haven't seen before. Immersive Lucky Pig. Burger bar. Broadway Burger, $18.95. Now it is a sit-down restaurant, so I guess a tip is required or expected. But that's cheaper than Jonathan Rocket. Just come in here to look at the architecture. No smoking in here. You're in a restaurant. Yeah. Hey, look. Asshole. Slice of pizza goes from $7.75 up to $8.75. You can get a slice and a beer for $11.95. So shut up, people on social media saying you can't. I proved it.